OpticStudio 17, there's a new autosave feature. This autosave feature allows you to automatically back up work for both the ZMX lens file and the ZDA session file whenever you make a change to the software. This is done automatically in the background and it does not require any user input once you have it initially set up. In order to view the settings for the autosave, you can go to the Setup tab, Project Preferences, and the General tab. Here, there are now two new features. One is for the autosave that has either disable, set it for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. And then another one that is going to prompt you if you end up having the autosave trigger when something crashes or when you unexpectedly shut down OpticStudio, that you can then recover the autosaved file. This autosave feature where you can select what minutes the interval is between saving only applies to the session file, whereas with the ZMX file, the lens file itself is saved every single time you make a change to it. This is similar to the undo feature that we have above, but you can still have autosave turned on even if you have undo turned off. In order to show you what this looks like, I'm going to enable the autosave reopen prompt and set autosave to 1 minute. If I start making some changes in the file, I can see that the timestamp right now is 1:29 p.m. I can go to my documents, ZMAX, and in here there's an autosave folder now. If I open this up, you're going to see a 3-letter folder that is randomly generated. This does not matter what the numbers are. Yours will be different than mine. If you double click in here, you can see that we now have a new ZMX file that has the same timestamp as what I am working at currently on my computer's timestamp. As I keep on making changes to this file, and now it is at 1:30 p.m., that you can come over and see that this now is going to be auto-saved at 1:30. If I force OpticStudio to close without attempting to save the file, I can reopen OpticStudio and the autosave recovery notification will open up. From here, you can open up the file specifically. If you want to delete the files, you can click on the checkbox here, and then you can select the delete file in the bottom right-hand corner. You can also open up the recovery folder itself, or you can close out this dialog and start from a blank lens.zmx file. If I click open, this will open up my file where I left off, but it does not end up saving it to that 000.zmx file name. So you'll need to make sure that you explicitly save this to a location on your drive that you want to save the auto-recovered file to.